Hello everyone. Have you ever considered that a pneumonia or sepsis could increase the risk of dementia? It sounds unbelievable, right? But the new research is uncovering the surprising link between severe infection and cognitive decline. My friend, as we all know that dementia is a devastating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. A study have found that people who were hospitalized for infection like sepsis, pneumonia, urinary tract infection, and skin infection have been linked to increased risk of developing dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. This infection can trigger systematic inflammation, which is believed to be contribute to cognitive decline. So the cognitive decline means loss of memory. The exact reason behind the association between severe infection and dementia are not fully understood, but several suggestions have been proposed by the scientists. One of them is inflammation. So several infections trigger the release of immune defense molecules, leading to systematic inflammation. And the prolonged inflammation has been associated with cognitive decline and dementia. So my friend, how could an infection in the body potentially impact the brain later age? Scientists have a few beliefs or hypotheses about this. One of them is vascular damage. So infection, particularly respiratory tract infection, have been shown to trigger acute cardiovascular event and causes subclinical blood vessel damage that potentially contributing to vascular dementia. The second belief is neuronal damage. Some infections such as sepsis can directly affect the brain and cause neuronal damage that potentially increasing the risk of developing dementia. And third belief is immune defense dysfunction. As the people get older, their immune system become less effective, making them more susceptible to severe infection. The cumulative effect of the infection and the inflammation over the time may contribute to cognitive decline. There are various researches going on, and the researcher analyzed the medical record of nearly 1 million people in the UK and the Finland, tracking the infection that require hospitalization before any dementia diagnosis. Their analysis results show that having even a single hospitalized treated infection was associated with a 50% increased risk of developing dementia in the later stage of their life. And this increased risk was seen not just for brain infection like meningitis, but also for the infection outside the central nervous system like pneumonia, urinary tract infection, viral infection like influenza virus. My friend, the interesting part was the type of infection did not seem to matter much, like bacterial infection, viral infection, and even the reactivation of persistent virus like herpes were all linked to the higher risk of developing dementia. And what mattered more was the severity, with each additional episode of hospitalization for infection further increasing the risk of dose response. That means association between dose and the incident of defined biological effect in exposed population. Although the study do not prove infection directly caused the dementia, the findings suggest severe infection and related inflammation may be important risk factor for developing dementia. My friend, this could open the new path for the preventive strategy. So what steps can be taken to prevent the dementia? It could be awareness. So awareness is the key to prevent the dementia. So raise awareness about the potential link between severe infection and dementia, and educate the people, healthcare professionals and policy makers about this connection to promote preventive measurement and early interventions. Next could be vaccination and infection control. We need to promote vaccination program, infection control measurement and public health campaign to to reduce the incidence of severe infection, especially in older age. And next could be early detection and treatment that also are essential. Having access to healthcare and the seeking prompt medical attention for severe infection ensure timely and effective treatment, reducing the risk of complication that could lead to dementia. And next could be research. Research is crucial in our fight against dementia. Investing in the study to understand the mechanism between infection and dementia can lead to the potential therapeutic intervention and the better treatment option. Last but not least, that could be advocating for policy changes that support infection prevention, early detection and treatment, and ongoing research that is also vital for the preventing dementia. My friend, by working together, we can create a healthier future for everyone. And these steps, along with the maintaining a brain healthy lifestyle like exercise, yoga, meditation, that can potentially reduce the risk of developing dementia. Of course, more research is still needed to understand this connection and underlying mechanism, but this provides an exciting new path in the fighting against dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.